Well, as far as weather impacts, there is some snow to talk about tonight, and it's already on the ground, Bill.
Yeah, Mother Nature just a day late with a white Christmas because we are already at 2 inches here in downtown La Crosse at the station. 2.3 in Onalaska, about 1.5 inches in Black River Falls and Spring Grove, and just under an inch down in Genoa. Now, CityCam showing a winter wonderland. Yeah, 2 inches of snow on the ground, but the snow is just starting to change over to that expected changeover to wintry mix. And that's occurring as we speak. 35 was the high today, 14 the low, so not too far off the averages of 30 and 14. Through last hour, 0.13 inches of liquid, and again, that snowfall total is for right here at the station downtown, but probably around 2 inches or so out at the airport as well. 30 degrees, light snow at the top of the hour, feels like 20. It's rather windy with this system as well. East-southeasterly 10 to 20 with higher gusts. Pressure's falling rapidly, and the Mississippi rising 5.94 feet. So if you're watching me, you're in that winter weather advisory until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning due to these snow showers, blowing snow because of the wind, that changeover to wintry mix for many. Travel impacts are occurring, and we could see some travel impacts into the Monday morning commute as well. Look at these temperature contrasts. 65 in Kansas City, 30 in La Crosse, and 1 degree below zero in Billings. And we've got some much colder air getting closer and closer to us. And as you'll see in the 8-day forecast, we're going to start to see some of that colder air over the next several days. Current temperatures in the upper 20s to around 30. These are probably going to be about the lows for the night, with rising temperatures a bit overnight. And there are those gusty winds from the east-southeast, sustained at 10 to 20, gusts of 25 to even 35 miles per hour, close to 40 in Rochester. So that's really making for some tricky travel tonight, also causing wind chills in the teens to around 20 degrees. Now notice how the heavier snow band's starting to move out of the area to the north and to the east, and closer to home, lighter snow showers and kind of a changeover to that wintry mix, even drizzle in spots as we kind of get dry slotted as this system starts to move off to the north and east. So here's the snow and the wintry mix tonight. Hot on its heels, another storm system very similar to the one we're dealing with tonight. That's going to bring snow on Tuesday, and we could see some accumulations from that one as well. So SkyTracker showing that snow starting to taper with that wintry mix or drizzle, especially along and south of Interstate 90. The precip moves out of here early tomorrow morning with clearing skies, or at least some sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. Dry tomorrow night, but watch as we head into Tuesday. More snow develops from the south and west, and yeah, definitely a couple of inches potentially out of that one. Now for tonight, maybe another trace to an inch for La Crosse and points south and east, as much as another 2 to 4 inches on top of what's already on the ground up near Eau Claire, up towards Wausau as well, and maybe a minor glaze of ice as well with that changeover to a wintry mix and some drizzle overnight into early tomorrow. So 30 right now, temperatures rise overnight, periods of snow, and that mix overnight for many, making for some tricky travel. Watch that Monday morning commute as well. 35 tomorrow, decreasing clouds but breezy. There's that system on Tuesday. I'm going to put out an alert day for Tuesday as well, as we'll see more accumulating snow. Then look at those temperatures, teens to lower 20s for the rest of the week and to begin the new year. And I'm also watching a third potential system for New Year's Day Saturday. That too could cause some accumulating snow across the region. So we may be catching up on that snow deficit pretty quickly over the next 8 days.
Remember when it was like 65 degrees just a couple weeks ago?
Not too long ago, yeah.
All right, thanks a lot, Bill.